Welcome to a quick culinary journey through Los Angeles. Here are 3 tantalizing tidbits you may not know about LA's food scene. First stop, the French dip sandwich. Born and bred in LA, it's a hot topic of debate. 2 establishments, Cole's and Philippe's, both claim to be the original creators. Who's right? The jury's still out. Next up, the humble hot dog. LA has its own unique style called the Dodger dog. This extra-long Frankfurter, often grilled, has been a staple at Dodger Stadium for more than 50 years. Lastly, let's not forget the food trucks. LA pioneered the gourmet food truck trend, transforming street food into a culinary art form. From Korean BBQ to vegan tacos, there's a mobile kitchen for every taste. That's all for now, food explorers. Stay hungry for knowledge.